Hello. Today we're here to share basically what happens when you get an adjustment. At the speed of light, right now, research is going on in chiropractic with other neurosciences, and they're allowing us to finally understand why we see the benefits that we see when we deliver an adjustment to a person. We now understand better the mechanisms that are involved and how those benefits are amazing for your body. And so let's just take a glimpse at what happens in the following seconds, minutes, and hours after you get adjusted. So as I said, when we do the adjustment, we basically stimulate the joint receptors. And those joint receptors basically communicate the information to your brain. By stimulating different parts of your brain, they allow your body to function in a whole different way. And so we see that when you get an adjustment, first of all, you increase blood flow. You increase the blood flow and the oxygen to your brain, your muscles, your organs, so allowing all these parts to function better. You also decrease your blood pressure because it has a calming effect, which is very good for your cardiovascular health. You increase the function of your senses because we stimulate all of the nucleus in your brains that take care of the different senses. So your hearing, your taste, your sight. All of these will suddenly be able to perform better, which means that we have a decrease in tinnitus and facial pain, decrease in swallowing issues, because all of these function better. With the adjustment, it also stimulates the nucleus in your brain that takes care of your innate immune system, which means you're better able to build up a proper defense. Building a proper defense is important, especially in infection and cancer, and so it allows your system to function better. The adjustment also, because it stimulates the cerebellum, the part of your brain here, it helps you to have a better equilibrium, so better balance, decrease your risk of falls, increase your capacity to coordinate, so have better coordination, and better posture. Because we stimulate the cerebellum here, in turn, this part will stimulate the front of your brain, so your prefrontal cortex, which means that you will be able to better think, better concentrate, better able to motivate yourself, evaluate the consequences of your actions. And because we do stimulate, again, that part here, we're basically stimulating your vagus nerves, which means that it feeds off to your heart, your lungs, your digestive organs. And so all of these will, in turn, theoretically function better. Also, what we've seen with the adjustment is that we have an increase in performance. All right, in athletes that get adjusted, that are healthy, we know that it increases their strength by 16% in the hours following the adjustment, which probably explains why we see a decreased risk of injuries in athletes that get adjusted. And last but not least, when you get adjusted, you actually decrease the aging process, which means that you're allowing your body to stay young and fit a lot longer. This is because when you get adjusted, what has been found is that it increases the telomeres. So it's the part of your DNA that allows your DNA to recopy itself properly. And what we know is that as you age, that part shrinks. And as it shrinks, your DNA suddenly starts to reproduce with errors. And that's what we call the aging process. So when you get adjusted, you actually get this longer. So it's a benefit. So I hope it helps. Join us for other capsules. Don't hesitate to leave us comments, questions in the feed. We'll answer them gladly. We'd love to have your feedback. Like us on Facebook. Bye.